We're all just merely passing through, doing what we can do in our lifetime. We have more than one adventure to take, more than one dream to make in our lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we'd sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts would take wings like a sparrow. But that's life, we'll take each day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for the morrow. As for me, all of my days I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime. If we all could leave something lasting behind to be remembered by, just a song from me, and then at least I would have tried. I agree, it's not so much what we have as how we use what we have in our lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in our lifetime. Oh, my love, I would give for as long as I may live, with a love, true love to last a lifetime. Deep in my heart, I love you. Deep in my heart, I care. You are my life, my my dream, my every prayer. Deep in my heart, I know that deep in your heart, you know that we were meant for each other, and we will love each other forever. Deep in my heart, I know that deep in your heart, you know that we were meant for each other, and deep within my heart, and deep within your kita iiwan. Ang sagot ko sa puso mong laging nagtatanong, hindi kita masisisi, ako may nangangamba, pagkat hindi natin batid ang ating bukas. Halik na nagbibigay pag-asa, mga yakap na nag-aalis ng pangamba, at ang pag-ibig natin sa isa't isa, ang tangi nating laban sa lupit ng buhay. Nais nating umibig gayong tutol sa atin ang panahon. Tinangka nating mangarap sa mundong sadyang mapagkait. Ngunit anuman ang mangyari sa ating pagmamahalan, mahal ko laging umasa. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi kita iiwan. Ninais nating umibig gayong tutol sa atin ang panahon. Tinangka nating mangarap sa mundong sadyang mapagkait. Ngunit anuman ang mangyari sa ating pagmamahalan, mahal ko laging umasa. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi kita iiwan. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi kita iiwan. Noon, akala ko ang wagas na pag-ibig ay sa nobela lang matatagpuan, at para bang kay hirap na paniwalaan. Ikaw pala ang hinihintay kong pangarap. Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y isa, hindi ko hahayaan na sa atin ay may hadlang. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawa ang ating pag-ibig, upang di magkalayo kailanman pagka
minsan lang sa buhay ko. Ikaw pala ang hinihintay kong pangarap. Ngayong kapiling ka at tayo'y